So you've made your sock puppet, you put a lot of work into it, and you want to make sure that nothing happens to it and that it lasts as long as it can possibly last. It's best to keep it stored either hanging upside down like this or folded up in half like that. The worst thing you could do is crumple it up, especially if it's being stored for a long time in a folded up position. So just to keep all of the features intact and make sure everything stays on for a while, you can either hang it or fold it in half neatly. Now, if your sock puppet gets dirty, there are some ways to wash it. If you've sewn your sock puppet, then you could throw it in the washing machine, but you want to make sure you have a gentle cycle and that you don't put it through the dryer. I'd say the best thing to do is if you wash it gently by hand and then hang it to dry. That would be my suggestion. Now, if you have glue, you probably aren't going to want to put it in water. In fact, you're definitely not going to, because the glue will dissolve or come undone. So what I would do is get a damp paper towel, just put a little water on it, maybe a little soap, and then you can gently wash your puppet like this and brush off any dirt by hand like that. And that way you're not getting it soaking wet, you're getting it damp enough to get a little dirt off or a little dust, but you're not absolutely soaking it and you don't have to worry about messing it up in any way.